What I want to show you is Thrush, how it's eaten into the frog, but I'm just going to quickly give you your bearings. So this is the hoof wall through here, the toe is here, this is the sole through here. We can see the bar, which is that part here. This is the frog. So we're looking at that a side of the hoof, and we're about 2 centimeters from the center. This is the digital cushion through the back here. This is the deep digital flexor tendon through there, and this is the coffin bone here. This is the short pastern here, and this is the long pastern, and this is just a remnant of the navicular bone. So if we look at this part here, if you look underneath, it really doesn't look that particularly bad, but the frog was quite big on this horse, and it was sticking out quite a bit, and this was a shod horse, and there's quite a lot of muck which is coming out of that collateral groove of the frog. See just how much the thrush has eaten its way up, almost, well, really close to the sensitive tissues. These are where the sensitive tissues are, through here, and this is the sensitive frog through here, where there's blood vessels and nerves, and this is within millimeters, this thrush invasion. Can you see how this is just all breaking away, breaking the frog away and eating higher and higher? I'm just going to zoom in for you. And if I pull this frog away, I think you can see just how deep that is. So please don't underestimate thrush. Please treat for thrush. Don't ever leave it, because it can cause massive damage in your horse's foot, and it can make a horse really, really lame. I mean, if you can imagine this eating away and getting close to here where all the nerves and the blood vessels are, you know, that's going to be sore, and that's going to make this horse very sore in the back of his foot. And so he's not going to want to land heel first. He's going to try and go toe first to try and avoid the pain. And we all know that a toe first landing is really no good for our horses. We need them to land heel first, where the energy is going to be dissipated in the back of the foot.